Imagine looking out of your window tonight, but the moon is gone, the stars are gone. Instead, exactly half of the sky is swallowed by an absolute terrifying black void. The other half is a blinding, roaring ring of golden fire, violently spinning across the horizon. Earth has been ripped from its solar system and captured by a supermassive black hole. Most people think a black hole is a cosmic vacuum cleaner that will instantly swallow us and tear our planet to shreds. But that is a lie. The truth of what would actually happen is far more agonizing. We are not going to die today, but if you look through a telescope at the distant universe right now, you will realize that a fate much worse than death has already begun. Because the monster in the sky isn't just crushing our planet, it is breaking time itself. Today, we are going to experience the ultimate psychological nightmare. And by the end of this video, you will realize why falling into the abyss is actually a mercy. But before we look into the void, I need to pause for just 1 second. If you prefer the terrifying, mind-bending reality of astrophysics over comforting science fiction, hit the subscribe button right now. We are building the most immersive space community on YouTube. Now, let's stop the clock. The nightmare started when our planet was violently dragged into the dark by a wandering supermassive black hole. We lost the sun. We lost the other planets. But we did not cross the event horizon. Instead, Earth was caught in a terrifyingly tight, stable orbit, skimming just above the point of no return. Visually, it is a megalophobic nightmare. The black hole takes up your entire field of view, making the Earth feel like a microscopic grain of sand hovering next to a god. Therefore, humanity cowers in the dark, waiting for the gravity to rip the crust apart. We wait for the end. But days turn into weeks, and we are still here. The orbit is perfectly stable. People start to believe we might actually survive this new, terrifying reality. But they do not understand the brutal laws of quantum physics and relativity. Because we are sitting on the edge of the deepest gravity well in the universe, and extreme gravity does not just warp space. It warps time. Einstein warned us about this time dilation. For you, standing on Earth looking at your watch, a minute still feels like a minute. Your heart beats at a normal pace. But the universe outside of this gravitational trap is not experiencing the same reality. Because we are so close to the event horizon, our time has practically stopped. For every single hour we spend orbiting this dark behemoth, millions of years are passing in the rest of the cosmos. Astronomers point their surviving telescopes away from the black hole, out toward the distant, safe galaxies. And what they see drives them completely insane. Because the universe is no longer static. Therefore, looking through that telescope is like watching a time-lapse video of reality itself. You are watching the cosmos in fast forward. Stars are being born, living their entire billions of years lifespans and detonating in blinding supernovas in a matter of seconds. You are watching entire galaxies collide, merge, and tear each other apart in real time. This is the true horror of our situation. It is an agonizing, psychological torture. We are trapped in a frozen present. We are completely paralyzed in time. While everyone and everything that has ever existed in the universe turns to dust outside our window. You are not just a prisoner of gravity. You are a prisoner of time. As the weeks pass on Earth, billions upon billions of years evaporate outside. The furious explosions of distant stars begin to slow down. Not because time is fixing itself, but because the universe is running out of fuel. The sky grows darker. Therefore, you are forced to sit on a freezing planet and watch the literal end of time. The heat death of the universe is happening right before your eyes. Eventually, the last distant star flickers and dies out forever. The fast-forward stops. There is no more light. There is no more heat. The entire universe is a dead, frozen wasteland. Except for us. We are the very last thing left in existence. A ghost ship circling the drain of a dead cosmos, illuminated only by the dying embers of the accretion disk. And then, the inevitable happens, slowly. Our orbit begins to decay. The agonizing wait is finally over. The black hole pulls us toward the absolute dark of the event horizon. We are out of time. But what actually happens to the human body when it crosses that invisible line? The gravity does not just kill you. It stretches your very atoms across the void. If you want to experience the sheer physical horror of spaghettification, click the video on your screen right now to spend 60 seconds inside a black hole. The nightmare is far from over.